The New York road stopped because of us. Embarrassing and fun at the same time.
So guys, this is what happened when I was moving to New York City. When you enter New York City, it's a completely different world compared to the rest of the United States. When you enter a highway, some important signs shows after your turn on the road. So when my mom turned on the highway driving 26-foot truck in length, it said trucks don't allow over 12 feet, and ours is only 12 feet. We've been driving, keep following the GPS until I press on brakes because two bridges show up in front of us that said it carries only 10 feet. So I called 911, and when the policeman showed up, first thing he said, don't follow New York City GPS. He blocked entire New York City highway, yes, entire highway, in order for us to make a U-turn. Then a long drive back, and then he blocks entire highway once again for us to make another huge turn. This is an insane experience. Guys, subscribe for more fun, and thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.